KS Tools is an SMB with about 100 employees, specialized in professional hand tools. We're number 2 in France in this domain. Today, with our ERP system, we're managing the commercial part of the business, from product supply to sales and distributor invoicing. The issue was related to the way we were working with our service provider handling our system modification requests. We wanted to avoid too many project review sessions, ranging from changing a few parameters to more major developments. We chose Dassault Systèmes 3D Experience collaborative solution, which meets our need to have a real-time view of all our ongoing projects. What was interesting for us was being able to do away with emails and instead to capitalize on our back-and-forth discussions within a single environment. The big advantage with the 3D Experience platform is that it's on the cloud. From anywhere, we have permanent access to our information and documents. That's the beauty of the cloud. As an SMB, we need an innovative and efficient solution. The 3D Experience platform is perfectly suited to our needs and is very easy to use. Our service provider, OptiOne, was involved in the project. Together, we found a better way to collaborate than before. For me, this is a turnkey solution. The qualitative benefits in terms of project management are better visibility, traceability, and better follow-up on all our projects. If at any given time in 6 months, for example, we have to look something up, we have the entire history of our exchanges. This is what really gives us a global and simplified view. We really want to continue working this way with 3D Swim. The 3D Experience platform is easy to use, very intuitive and ergonomically designed. It integrates perfectly with the other solutions we use and helps us be more efficient when collaborating with our service provider.